A new advanced tool that predicts market with laser accuracy by providing high-quality signals and constant profit. The first adaptive trading indicator that works on both forex and binary options. Learn more. Quick start. Installation is very simple and takes a little time. It is just a couple of clicks and copying one file. Smart algorithm. Performs calculations on any existing currency pair, as well as on precious metals, indexes, and adapts to them. Easy to use. Despite the information content and functionality, the interface is very simple and convenient. New screenshots. Unstoppable profit on H1, September 9th. Fresh wins, plus 1,033 pips profit. Fresh results with indicator on M30, plus 210 pips profit. New update, 6 to 7 OCT, unstoppable profit on M5. 7/7 1 trades, plus 342 pips total profit. Amazing latest results on H4 Timeframe. Look at the latest results of indicator on M15 Timeframe. Introduce Fox Trader Pro. Now it's time for big changes in trading. We present to you a system that makes it possible to earn money from the comfort of your own home. A powerful indicator that uses an innovative algorithm that could multiply your profit. No more doubts and difficult analyses. Now you can trade better, faster, and smarter with high-performance Fox Trader Pro. All the hard work is done for you. The only thing you need to do is just to follow the indicator signals. Advanced algorithm for calculating the price on each bar, which gives maximum adaptability to any market conditions. It is based on complex algorithmic calculations of such great mathematicians as Gann and Fibonacci, which gives you the most accurate trend detection, bypassing and profitable signals in the flat. Very user-friendly interface. All complex calculations of several thousand lines fit into the signal arrow. All you have to do is just to trust the indicator's calculations, enter the trade and take your profit. Smart Informer. The indicator informer contains all the necessary information that will allow you to fully understand the market conditions. Depending on the trading mode, forex or binary options, the informer will display relevant information in accordance with the mode. Trend Power informs you how steady the current trend is. Market Volatility informs you how strong the oscillations are at the moment. Trend Direction informs you in which direction the price are going on each time frame. The built-in tester will help you to choose the pairs and timeframes that give the highest profit. Trading modes. The indicator is equipped with 2 trading modes: forex and binary options. Switching modes is carried out in one click, which provides the ability to quickly react to market changes or decision-making. Mode Forex. In this mode, the indicator adapts to forex trading, gives a buy or sell signal and set 2 adaptive take-profit leaves. The informer also adapts to the selected mode. Mode Binary Options. In this mode, the indicator adapts to trading on binary options, gives signal to call or put on the current candle. The informer also adapts to the selected mode. Main features. These points set Fox Trader Pro apart from the other trading tools. Uniqueness is our trump card. Smart Informer. Information that will allow you to accurately analyze the market. Accurate signals. Equipped with a unique trading algorithm providing accurate and profitable signals. 2 trading modes. The ability to trade in forex and binary options modes. No repaint. Fox Trader Pro never repaints self-signals. 3 types of alerts. An intelligent alert system that will inform you about every signal generated. 24/7 support. Full technical support at all stages and at any time. Indicator advantages. 10 reasons to use Fox Trader Pro as your main trading tool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Indicator in action. Watch the trading video of Fox Trader Pro on 2 different modes. Plus 1917 pips profit in forex mode and 90% win rate in binary options mode. Signal examples. Fox Trader Pro regularly generates accurate and profitable signals. Make sure of this by looking at the trading examples in the 2 modes below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. User testimonials. Here are just some testimonials from actual users of Fox Trader Pro. 1, 2, 3. Join hundreds of traders who have already making real profit just by following Fox Trader Pro indicator signals. Interesting facts. Here are 4 interesting facts about how many cups of coffee our team drank. While we were creating the indicator, how many lines of code have been written, how many people have already got our indicator, and how many grateful reviews we are already received. 245 cups of coffee. 9,818. Code lines. 367. Downloads. 179. Reviews. Purchase now. Discover for yourself Fox Trader Pro and find out what is included in the package with it. 50% discount. Regular price. $348. Price now. $174. Full version of the indicator. Detailed user manual. Technical support 24/7. Free updates. Buy now. Built-in alerts. The best way to become successful in trading in a very short time is to take every winning trade. But does this mean that you have to sit in front of the computer all day? No. Instead, you simply use one of the 3 smart alerts that are built into Fox Trader Pro. 1. Pop-up sound alert. Don't be chained to your computer all the time. Boredom will soon take its toll on you. To avoid that, you can do everything you want, and, once you get a trade alert, you just place the trade right away. Easy. 2. Instant email alert. You can receive email notification in just a few seconds to find out the exact time to trade. 3. Push alert to your smartphone. The advantage of this is that you can activate your mobile trading platform and instantly close a trade as soon as you receive an alert. Questions and answers. Find your question below and get an answer instantly. What is Fox Trader Pro? It is a powerful indicator that will show you when to enter a trade and offer 2 options for exiting your trades. It will also provide complete information for making the right decision, as the informer is equipped with everything necessary for this. What timeframes and pairs does the indicator work on? How much money is needed to start trading? After paying for the indicator, will there be any other payments, fees, etc.? What trading platform does the indicator work on? What if my question is not on the list? Previous. Next. 60 days full money back guarantee. Dear traders, if for some strange reason you are unhappy with the profit of the indicator or dissatisfied with the capabilities of Fox Trader Pro, you have the opportunity to receive a full refund of your funds within 60 days after making a purchase. It is very important for us that every client feels safe and does not risk anything. This function is valid for 60 days from the date of purchase of the indicator. We will refund your money without any problems or questions. Truly yours, Fox Traders Team. In touch. Email us anytime and we will do our best to help you. Feel free to contact us with any questions, will at the installation process, questions about the system, or even just share your trading results. Our team is always glad to help you and be happy for your success. At Fox Traders Team Channel. Support at foxtraderpro.com. Trading activity in the foreign exchange and financial market is associated with a high risk. Transactions with financial instruments may result in uncontrollable losses. When starting to work in the foreign exchange markets, make sure that you understand the risks involved in trading with leverage and that you are sufficiently trained. Social media. Telegram. Support email. Support at foxtraderpro.com. Privacy policy. Disclaimer. Terms. Affiliates.